We are on our way to historic Wales, Massachusetts, and last count I had 2 fuzzy dogs still and 1 wife. And it's going to be about an hour and 15-minute drive. It takes a little bit to get there, and then we'll set up and get something to eat, have some fun. Let's do it again.
Got some pickled vegetables.
And now water. All right, I'm gonna take this fuzzy dog for a walk and go check out some of these other campers. Like this one behind me is huge. There's some big campers here. I bet there's some other really sweet ones here. Let's go check them out.
Let's go, fuzzy.
Wow. Wow, can't imagine hauling one of these. I get nervous enough with Luna. Wow. Got a schoolie. I think it's cool. People here are very nice. This place is super clean. It's great. Look at these things. Wow. Pull-outs. This place is packed. I think we were pretty lucky to get a site. So we're gonna walk the fuzzies, go for a swim. I don't know, walk the fuzzies again. Try the recommended drink. Oh. Okay. Oh, no. Look at Luna towering amongst these giants. We're gonna go swimming. It's hot.
It's hot.
And I think the rain's gonna miss us, which is really nice because yesterday it was wet. And I feel like New England has been in a wash for weeks. Fantastic, 3 feet deep, and it was huge. Very nice. Very, very nice. We're gonna go get a snack. We're hungry. Let's eat it. The Granville cheese from yesterday. That cheese is so freaking good. All right, we're gonna try some of this habanero garlic. Oh, oh my. Habanero pickled garlic. That's amazing. Oh, it's got a little bite though. Yeah, it's pretty good. That's amazing.
Is it really garlicky?
No, it's more pickled. It almost tastes like an onion with garlic. Woo! I don't know about this one. Oh. Johnny Walker Red. Not awful with on the rocks. Whew. Hey. Whew. I don't know. We're gonna leave it at that. Wow. She didn't want to do it. She had the right idea. Wow. Another thing I learned about camping with the wife is she's messy.
You ate well though, didn't you?
Yep. Sometimes you don't always get the best view. It's not bad though.
Solitude.
Solitude. Right?
It's a grand delight.
Isn't that what we all look for? Solitude. It's very nice. Well, it started to rain. We jumped in the camper and we're gonna watch Tron. Everybody's tucked in.
Computer. What did they look like?
Morning. It's early. It's pouring. Again. All right, buddy. All right. All right. It's not always sunny. But we had a good time. Skipping breakfast, no coffee. Get out of here.